What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is Monday. It is solar eclipse day, and we're getting crushed in the market. Snickers could care less about what's going on. She just likes sitting in her box there. But yeah, we're getting wrecked right now. I'm actually wishing I had more money right now because I want to get Tesla, because Tesla is getting killed today, and we're down almost 11 grand. But honestly, it's going to go back up. It's just a really crappy day all around. If you look at the watch list, Freedom Leaf is on top. But like, if you go to the second page, we should already be into the stock. Oh no, I guess there's some still stocks doing well, but not many stocks are doing well. Like already going down here. So I think there's just like a little bit of a correction going on. But people on the TV were still saying that the fundamentals are strong. The stock should go back up eventually. I just wish we had money to buy Tesla, because Tesla, for some reason, is getting killed today. I don't know why exactly, but you can see there it's in the bottom of the last page. So I think it's really cheap right now, to be honest. I think that's a really low price for what it's been lately. And so I wish I could get some. I need to figure something out. But yeah, I'm gonna go outside and see if I can witness this solar eclipse a little bit. It's really cloudy, so like I'm not gonna be able to see anything. And again, Snickers doesn't care, so she's just gonna chill here. I'm gonna go outside and see if I can see a little bit. We'll come back in a little bit. Actually, though, Snapchat. I checked the. You know when you go on Snapchat and like on the home screen, whatever, you pinch out to zoom out, and it shows you like a map of what's going on. It is like totally lit right now with like snaps about the eclipse. I'll post a screenshot of what I was looking at. So I was just looking at some snaps, and I saw a lot of cool ones. So I kind of feel like I got to experience it a little bit, even though I didn't get to see it in person. And it is so cloudy here that even if I had the sunglasses or whatever to look at it, I wouldn't have been able to see anything. I would have had to drive somewhere where there wasn't clouds, and so I'm gonna wait until 2024 when the next one comes, and we'll be more prepared that time. But whatever, not really concerned. I just gotta get some editing done anyways. So, all right, we'll come back in a little bit, I guess. All right, so I decided that I'm going to take my profits on one of my take two positions. I've just realized that I have two take two positions. I have five calls with a 75 strike, and we're way into the money on that one. The current price is like $91 for take two, and then my other one is $90, which are also in the money on that one. And they both expire January 19th, so I still have some time left for that one. So I think what I'm going to do is sell the one that I have the most profit on, take that profit, and then I'm going to buy some more Tesla calls today, because it's down like the ones that I have are down 26%. So that's a huge discount compared to yesterday, and I think I'm going to take this opportunity to buy some more while it's pretty cheap in my opinion. So let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's get this going. I got the quick trade tab open, and let's get the options. So I'm going to type in take two, and let's just get this going here. Let's try to do this quick. So I'm going to sell the close, and let me scroll up so you can see the one I'm selling. It is right here. So 5 contracts. Expiration was January 19th, 2018. Strike $75. My computer's lagging, so I apologize for that. Okay, I think it's just the internet's being slow. Okay, call. Alright, blah 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 blah. Now it should show the prices, it's just taking a minute. So, okay, the bid is at oh wow, the bid is higher. It says $18 right now, but currently it says the bid is $19.30. So we're gonna make a nice little profit on this. And so let's just get rid of this one now. So I'm gonna hit review. All right, so let's place order. So even though this didn't update yet, well now it's gone because I just sold it. But let's see how much we got for it, because it said in our positions that it was only worth $9,000, and yeah, so it was, even though it only said $18, it actually the actual current price was $19.46, so it was up. Now you could see here, just refresh finally. So we were up on $8 or 8.11%. I'm sorry, I can't talk, guys. I really apologize for that. So we made even more money than expected. So now we can scroll up here and see how much money we have to play with. Alright, so we're doing a little bit better now, and we have some cash to spend. I'm going to go based off of this because I don't want to go in the red. That means I have to pay interest, and I don't want to do that. I want to just be trading with 100% my own money. So we're going to go ahead and place another trade here. I'm probably gonna skip through this a little bit because this takes a long time. Alright, so my lowest strike is 550, so if I wanted to go safer, I could go even lower than that. We could try like 500, but it's going to be a little more expensive than what I got now. But let's just see what the prices are going for. Wow, this is taking forever. Okay, damn, 1690 per contract. I'm not sure if I can afford that. Let me do a little calculation here. I could only buy 5 contracts at this price. It would be the safest one, but I would have less. Actually, I just sold 5 contracts at Take-Two and picking up 5 at Tesla. As far as quantity goes, it's still the same. I was hoping to get a little bit more, so what I might have to do is raise this a little bit. Let's go up to 520. Let's see if I can get some more. It's not going to be much difference, guys, but let's just see. 1390, okay, so sorry, I'm going to cut a lot of this out when I'm editing because it's taking forever. I can get 6 calls at this price as opposed to 5. I guess it really doesn't matter. I have the same amount of money into it, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the 500. That's going to give me a much safer position because it's $50 cheaper than my other cheapest strike price, and I'm still giving myself the same amount of time. And thanks to Tesla dropping, that's going to allow me to get in at that price. So let's see, review order. Oh, shit. Alright, so here's the order I decided to place. I sold the 5 contracts of Take-Two, and I'm buying 5 contracts of Tesla. This is the same exact expiration as I have on my other calls. You can see up here, we have January 18th, 2019, 600 strike. We have a 550 strike. We have one little lone call all by its lonesome. Where is it? Right here. 680 strike, which is definitely going to be losing value pretty quickly. But the one we're going to get, check this out, has a $500 strike. So this is our lowest strike, which means it's the closest to the actual stock price, which means it's the safest one that we're going to own. Because the Tesla stock went down today, I'm going to be able to get these for much cheaper than had I bought them yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I just did that. Okay, trade has been placed. And let me hit refresh here on the orders. It's lagging really bad. Alright, so you can see here on the completed orders, you can see I sold the Take-Two. I took my profit. I'll post the profit right here, how much I did on that, because this one was a really solid performer for us. And then we bought this. So we sold 5 calls and picked up 5 calls. I'm really happy with this trade. I don't know much about Take-Two. I really haven't been paying attention to the news with them. So I don't know if they have a lot more room to grow, even though we were well into the money. I just decided to take my profit. I'm really seeing a big opportunity here with Tesla. I have no idea why people are selling their Tesla stock, because their Model 3s are just going to blow everything up. It's going to be amazing. Everyone's going to love them. So I think this is a perfect buying opportunity. So I'm really glad that we just got this. And for way cheaper than, oh wow, way cheaper than I thought. Dang, we might have some extra cash left over. Let's see. Yeah, we do. Oh man, I could have bought another one. Oh well, you know what? I have some extra cash. Maybe I can finally get into Applied Materials, because that was the one I just uploaded the video for that. So I'm gonna hit pause here on the screen capture and look at some prices real quick. Alright, welcome back. So it is 9:15 p.m. and let's see how we did today. Alright, so we lost about 10 grand today, so not a good day, but on the plus side, we were able to get these new calls, and let me show you real quick here. So we got in at Tesla on these new calls at $15.62 per share, so $1,562 per contract, and check it out. So here's the call here that we just bought, this one right here, and it's already up to 1639. So we're already up, like I already calculated, we're up 4.9% already on this call, and about like equates to about $385, I believe. So yeah, already doing pretty well with that one. So this number is a little bit lower than what it is. We actually lost around just right around 10 grand exactly. So that's not quite as bad as what we did. So let's look at the watch list real quick, and then we'll wrap it up. So we got Logitech on the front page, which is good because we haven't seen them there in a while. Home Depot still just on fire. Let's just one more time look at Home Depot. I haven't checked their chart in a while. Let's look at their 1 year. Oh wow, so they had a lot of good months until after April. They've been struggling a bit. So yeah, it's probably a good thing we didn't own them recently. Anyways, let's go back to the watch list. Sorry about that. Okay, page 2. Oh, this was the one I was supposed to look into getting, and I totally forgot why. Dang, I hate when that happens. I need to look that up tomorrow. Okay, and then here on the third page, we're already down to the losers, so it was pretty up and down for most stocks today, but a lot of stocks went down, especially in the tech sector, I guess, especially with Tesla. Some interesting news about Tesla. I did read a couple articles, so let's just get out of the screen recording here, and let's just go back to me. Alright, so anyways, Tesla, I saw a cool headline about Elon Musk responding to a tweet in 24 minutes about a new product feature for the cars. Someone recommended that when you turn the car off, or put it in park rather, having the seat lower and the steering wheel come up so that you're not like bumping it on the way out. And literally within 24 minutes, Elon responded that he says that's a good idea, and they're gonna implement that on the next update for all the cars. I think that's just awesome, and really good positive response from that. A lot of people are happy the way he's handling that. And that's just quality customer service. So he also talked about moving things to the cloud, which could open things up for hacking, and so that's something that we need to look at and keep an eye on in the future. Hopefully that won't become a problem. But other than that, I'm still really bullish on Tesla and really happy with the calls that we got. So we'll just leave it at that. If you did like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends and all that cool stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.